Hey everybody, thanks for joining me for today's episode. Today Casey and I are going to be rocking the dirt here in a little bit. But first I wanted to tell you guys about some pretty exciting information. Coming this Sunday on February 16th at 7 p.m. Central Time, I will be getting interviewed by Josh Kimmel on Beyond Sight and Sound. His podcast is found on Spreaker. You can also find it through his Facebook page, Beyond Sight and Sound, where he'll have a link set up for that episode. So I'm real excited to share a little bit about myself to you guys, and you guys are more than free on the live show to call in, ask any questions you would like. I may even reveal where Crazy Spider originated from. So real exciting stuff. I hope you guys enjoy the show. But anyway, I'm not going to tell you too much about today's episode outside of there being a really cool return. So let's get into the show right now. Alright, after finding a bent nail, Casey seems to have come across a couple good ones.
The same hole.
Like the wheat and an Indian.
Oh, she's pretty, dude. 1905 and a 1920.
Nice. Might be more. You better keep checking there, buddy.
Alright.
Here, I can hold these. There, you got it.
Probably just nails. I don't see anything. Oh yeah, look at that nail right with them.
Yep.
I have a feeling that's what's in here too.
Right.
Yep, nothing else in there.
Alright.
Cool.
Good job, buddy.
Thank you.
Looking like.
Tell you what.
Okay, watch when I move the dirt. Like a locket or something. Looks like a locket or a watch. Ringing really low like a 21.
What do you got? I would definitely say it's a locket, isn't it?
That looks like a locket.
It's intact still even.
Yeah, and it's got a split on it. Set that down. Take my gloves off here for a minute.
Wouldn't that be cool if there's a picture still inside or something?
It's really light, but it's, I'm guessing silver still.
Silver plate, probably.
Yeah, something.
Let's see if she opens. Oh, empty.
Empty, but still, that's cool.
That is cool.
That's awesome. Wasn't expecting that. Ringing like a zinc penny. Awesome. On to the next.
That's why you dig the zincs.
So the homeowners had a additional lost item that we didn't know about ahead of time. I just came across them, and she is super happy that she has them back. Her keys to her car and house and everything else. So we've got them, and we're returning it to them.
Thank you.
There you go.
Awesome. Oh, we looked everywhere for those things. We walked and walked. Because she didn't go to the yard. She just went straight down the sidewalk, across and back. Took him for a walk. And she found them. They were missing.
Yeah, I'm glad they were in the yard, not down the street.
Yeah, and well, everybody had break their leaves and everything. So we just couldn't see them. It was weird.
Whatever.
Well, what do you know?
Yep.
I kind of hope maybe you come across them. There you go, Mom.
Oh, that's good.
I thought she found some money or something.
No, this
Oh
was,
my God!
That's kind of like money. It's
well,
worth
it's got
some.
house keys on it, your truck key.
Well, there it is.
Is that a medallion too?
yeah. There's a little religious charm on there.
That's neat.
Elvis is supposed to be on there.
No Elvis on this one.
Oh, well, I told the cops they was.
Elvis is supposed to be on there.
No, Elvis is
No.
not on there.
At least you got him back now.
Well, thank you. That was
You're
right
welcome.
there.
Alright guys, I just popped out a little hole here. Really cool, I'm pretty sure looking buckle. Got like a chain looking thing around it.
Michael?
Oh no, it's falling apart.
Oh no, you broke it.
No, it was barely on there to begin with.
Oh, that's cool.
It's a chain or something. Oh, there we go. Chain or something on it.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Is on this side. Wow, that's different.
Very different. So guys, as we were hunting the front yard a little bit earlier, we actually got permission, two permissions by just sitting up there hunting. We had two different neighbors come up to us, both in the next two houses here, also older homes and whatnot, and they're like, hey, come on over on our yards. Okay. So our day is hopefully going to be filled here. They have pretty sizable backyards. So we have the one house here and the next house over from there behind that fence.
1901.
And the guy with the home behind the fence, he said he was digging in his backyard. He's like, I found an old coin back there. So you want to take a look at it? Sure, bring it on over. He comes over, he has a seated 1889 seated dime. So
Beautiful coin.
yeah, it was pretty good shape. So, well, let's get on to the next, and we'll see you shortly. All right, guys, we're on one of the neighbors' properties now, and we're just starting. It was my first target. Got a really cool dog tag, 1962. So.
I call planted. He planted.
Yeah, right. It's one of my oldest ones. I haven't found a whole lot of old ones. Most of them I find are quite a bit newer. But I don't remember if I have one older than this or not, but it's right up there for me.
That one's killer.
Yeah, it's a cool looking one. So, alright, let's get on to the next hole. Alright guys, we got some low 30s numbers, so we're going to go ahead and live dig. One direction was ranging as high as 33, 34, somewhere in there. And the other direction was about 31, 32 on the equinox.
Better not aim it at you, people get mad.
Add quarter.
5/4?
Yep. Nice.
A little rough.
Yeah. Good find. Ready?
Yeah. Oh, cool.
That's a cool one.
That is a cool one. I got one just like it almost. Different color. Yeah, that's neat. Right on.
Alright, Casey's up to 2 wheats out of this hole, and he's going for a spill here. He thinks he has more coins in the hole here.
1917, 1951. I see at least 2 more.
Oh yeah.
52. 50. Is there any more? Come on, there'll be a silver in there. Maybe. I don't think so. Oh, that's yours. I don't know, not a loud signal. I think it was
Right.
it. Those are screaming. Yeah, well,
Maybe.
there's something there.
Did you check these piles?
Yeah, there is.
Yeah.
I'll be damned.
And more.
Another wheat. We got 42.
Going for the biggest spill he's ever had.
I've gotten 11 wheats in one hole before.
Oh, okay, maybe not. You're halfway there.
Yeah, right. Oh, junk. There might be more still. Jeez. It's still screaming in there.
Hmm.
But it's a little bit deeper now. I think we might be. Jeez. I don't know. Yeah, I think that's gonna be it. I think the rest is probably nails and such. Oh, more junk. Yeah, I think we got all the coins.
All right.
bad, though.
Yeah, five coin spill, 5 Wheaties.
Got a bingo board.
Not bad. Eat your heart out, Cody.
Right?
All right, on the next hole. All right, so earlier Casey found a back of a pocket watch.
You like that.
Now he just came across, I wonder if that bag goes to this one. He's found almost a complete one.
Yeah, getting close.
What's the, I
Got
was
an
gonna say,
imprint
yeah, nice little imprint. I was gonna say, it looks like it might have a name on there, like Elgin or something.
even. Right, I figured maybe Elgin, but I don't see anything. It's very similar to one I found.
I was gonna say the, oh, it is more silver. I was gonna say the coloration at
It's
first
plated.
looked like it could be the back that you found over in the other yard.
Oh yeah. No, different color.
Yep. Cool.
Crazy.
I don't think it's like a super old one, but it's still
Right.
older.
Right.
So awesome.
Right.
Good find. All right, guys. So Casey found a couple different guns. Well, I've coming toward the end of the day here. I found my little gun part for the day. I did nick it a little bit, but that's all right. Just a broken part of one anyway. We were in the yard just before this. We were only there about 5 minutes, and the dog was barking so much the owner asked us to just leave since he couldn't get his dog to start barking, and that's fine. But I was digging a hole right when he was asking us that. Look what I found. Got a Merc, 1942. So just in the nick of time. We probably only have a half hour left of digging before it's too dark. So